So welcome back, guys. Hope everyone's doing well and happy new year to everyone. Yeah, I've been off the channel for quite a bit, but yeah, life's been hectic last year, and let's just hope for a better one. So here we go. MiniGT Liberty Walk unboxing of 6 models. Start with the S15. Quite a cool model. Basically all the boxes look the same from the back. It's just your card art here that is basically different, and also you get this type of packaging as well as the blister type, which you pay a little bit more for. There you go. S15 Super Silhouette, and you'll see some cues that I am using on my Super Silhouette, the Huracan Super Silhouette that I'm currently building. For those of you that are not new to the channel, I'm busy building a world first Huracan Super Silhouette. But yeah, there you go. S15. Next up is R34, also the Super Silhouette. Very cool model indeed as well. And there you go. R34. It's got quite a cool interior as well. Got your red seats, yellow roll cage, quite a bit of detailing there as you can see. Similar wheels. Very cool indeed. Next up, the black Lambos. First the Countach, which was launched a couple of weeks ago in this recolor, the black one. Previous being white, and yeah, also quite a cool model. And with the new wheels, everyone is digging the new wheels. Wheels are quite cool, I must say. Detailing is quite nice. Only thing that I did realize now, the wing is a bit fragile in a sense. You can see it move there, but it is chassis mounted, so not too big of an issue. But yeah, cool tire lettering as well. Very cool model. Next up would be the LIBERTYWALK, also Silhouette works, the Murcielago. And there you go. Silhouette works, Murcielago. Black wheels this time around. Quite cool exhaust. Quite nice model. Nice model indeed. So next up will be the Lamborghini Huracan GT, also LIBERTYWALK, and this time around it is the Gravity one that belonged to Jordan Clark of Gravity. They do those big car shows in the UK, and I actually got invited with the Huracan Super Silhouette once it's done to go and debut my car at their show in one of the coming years. But yeah, first things first, gotta get it done. So let's unbox this one. The only thing I did pick up on this model is that it's not the correct wheels when you can compare it to the real car. The real car's got 5 spokes. This one obviously has the multi-spokes. But yeah, quite a cool model indeed. And there's Jordan's name, surname, the Union Jack. Nice livery. This car indeed. Very nice model. I do have a few other Huracan GTs, but I must say this one really takes the cake. I will however be changing the wheels out to match the real ones on the real car. Cool. Last but not least, the Super Silhouette S15 Formula Drift Japan car. Now, there is 3 variants of this car, being the green, the blue the previous year, and then the Halloween special one as well. MiniGT is launching the normal blue one soon, which I'll also be unboxing on the channel once I've got it. This one is quite a cool model. So it is the similar body kit to the white one, but obviously in a much different livery. Cool wheels. It's got a bit of a matte finish to the roof and the hood or bonnet, but further on, very cool model. And very nice detailing. Like I say, the wheels and stuff, very nice. So yeah, there you go. So all these models were acquired through Wayne's World of Diecast. I'll put the link in the description, and as you can see there in the back as well, I've got a few of Black Sheep models stuff. It is a local company which does 3D printing, all types of stuff, engines mostly, but he does all types of stuff with the 4-post lift as well as your RB engine and so on. So they do quite nice work, all resin prints of course, and yeah, there you go, quite cool. Alright guys, it was a lengthy video and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe and see you on the next one. Cheers.